Hi, and thanks for joining me for my example of the wellness selfie. This is for Dr. Perez's class, and this is regarding overall health and looking at the dimensions of our health and seeing how that plays into our wellness. My name is Jared Greenwood. This is for HPE 572. And as you can see, this is just the video of the PowerPoint, but embedded in the PowerPoint, I also have the voiceover too. If you want to ask me for that copy, I can give you that as well. This is a picture of me on Lake Samish. This is where I live, very lucky. And this is the new addition to my life, Kai. She's a corgi. This is my girlfriend's dog. And so I've been really trying to balance out life since it's summer. Even though I still work summer school and have some other odd jobs, I try to make sure I get enough lake time and relaxation in and also personal reflection. So I want to dive into the dimension of spiritual for my health, and really this has been where I've probably matured in the last 5 years. So I really enjoy getting outside, doing a variety of things: fly fishing, mountain biking, boating, hiking, just being outside in the sunshine. I definitely need that vitamin D. This picture is of my yoga space, as yoga isn't my daily routine. It needs to be, but it really has brought me some balance with my body and everything else moving forward spiritually, to let my mind calm down as well as personal reflection from teaching and just everything. And then I've always had a degree of religious belief, so maybe some of you can relate to that, and that's always been a positive influence in my life. Okay, so for now, for physical, I've always been involved in sports. So basketball, football, baseball were the big ones growing up. Really big into baseball, football, and was lucky enough to play a year in college with those. But really just like to recreate, try things, something new for the first time. Really got into water sports when I moved over to the west side, and so we have a water ski boat now, and so that's a lot of fun. So I really try to get out on the water and hang out with friends. Mountain biking has been another hobby that I've taken up since I've moved to Bellingham, Washington. There's some great mountains and riding to do here, and it's a great activity to get some exercise in. And then I always seem to keep busy with the different projects that are going on, that I find myself caught up in as a shop teacher. So emotional support system. So really, with this dimension, like I mentioned, the support system has been fantastic. Really timely with having a girlfriend during the stay-at-home COVID time. My family has been tremendous. I got really lucky with my siblings and my parents and my community. Had positive male mentors growing up who have always been older to me. Some have passed, and then my faith. So moving into the career, uh, BS in Tech Ed Broad, and that was from Central. So looking to potentially leave the shop teacher world and get into PE. And so I'm not sure when that'll happen. I do enjoy my job. It's a lot of hands-on troubleshooting, keeping the kids busy with material. So it's like teaching a science class. And then I also enjoy coaching, which got me into back into teaching rather than doing something different. Intellectual. So hopefully people see me as an intelligent person, but I'm not sure about that. I don't seem to be reading so much classic literature. More I read more how-tos and tech manuals and maybe look something up as far as information like code-wise on a building or trying to figure out how to troubleshoot a car, looking at some of the manuals there, because I like to learn how to fix things. And then also vicariously, I hope people learn to learn from each other in a more productive manner. And that was probably what I learned in high school football, was to make sure you watch the person in front of you. And if they screw up, don't screw up the same way. And if they do well, try and mimic what they did. And then I always try to be prepared, as I try to be responsible as possible and make sure that everybody's well-being is taken care of, especially if I'm kind of the one in charge going out in the wilderness or being out on the boat. Environmental. This one's a little different. I grew up in Eastern Washington, and I've now been over to to the west side for 6 years now, and been very lucky to be on the water more. And that's really helped me balance and probably calm down a little bit. So really enjoying Samish and Sammamish. Uh, Different environments, though, kind of on the farming community back home. And so I really appreciate the people that work hard and do a lot of the preparedness and laborious work for keeping food on the table for a lot of us. And then trying to keep that balance between nature and technology. So the social piece here, I believe it's my last slide. So really just been very lucky where I've landed with my neighbors and my micro communities, whether that be church, my family, all my mentors that I've had along the way, my teachers. Uh, and so really it's given me a balance to have the positive influences. And then I've also been able to enjoy my profession of teaching and the social aspect that comes with it, and also the coaching. And then these are my two new fur buddies. They're brother sister from a different litter, so maybe that makes them cousins. But Kai and Ziggy, and then my girlfriend has been a wonderful late for my wellness. So thanks for watching. This is an example of a wellness selfie.